Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today we will explain to you guys about our explanation about Mary Play application letter. But first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Zahra Ramadhani, present 35 from 12A class.
My name is Nova Dagina Salsabila, number 24.
So, the first part in the application letter is 502 W Main Street, number 221, Urbana, IL 61801.
Center address is a center address because the sections includes the center's full address to make it easier for the institutions or recipients to contact the center.
The next part is January 2nd, 2025.
Date is a date because indicates when the letter was written. This is important so the recipients know the application is current and was sent within the specific deadline.
Music History Search Committee, Indiana University of Pennsylvania, 422 South 11th Street, Indiana, PA 15705.
Company address. What is company address? Company address because the section includes the full address of the recipient. Inclusion or inside the letter is directed to and processed by the correct party.
The next part is Dear members of the search committee.
What is salutation? Salutation is a because a formal greeting that shows respect to the recipients of the letter. In this case, the sender addresses the search committee, which is responsibility for the selection process.
So, the next part is I'm writing in response to your advertisement for the Assistant Professor of Music History position at Indiana University of Pennsylvania, as advertised in the Chronicle of Higher Education. I'm currently a PhD student in musicology at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign and will complete my degree in May 2004. I respectfully submit this letter of application, for I believe my experience and commitment to teaching make me well qualified to meet the needs of IUP's dynamic program.
Opening paragraph. This paragraph introduces the sender, explains the purpose of the letter, and provides a reason for their interest in the positions. It is crucial for capturing the recipient's attention early on.
So the next part is, as a teaching assistant at the University of Illinois, I've gained valuable experience leading undergraduate discussion section for both music majors and non-majors. In addition to classroom instruction, I have advised students on appropriate research topics and edited and evaluated their work. Based on student evaluation, I have earned the Graduate Teaching Award for every semester that I have taught and have been listed 4 times among the top 10% of teachers rated at the University of Illinois. I also co-created a public music appreciation course entitled Music for All, which attract the interest of concert goers of all ages and backgrounds. I'm firmly dedicated to the education of music students as well as general audiences and urgently welcome an opportunity to develop similar program at IUP.
Body of letter. This section provides detailed information about the sender's work experience, skills, and qualifications relevant to the positions. The sender also highlights specific contribution they can offer to the institutions.
The next part is my coursework has covered a wide range of topics in the various musical eras. My research comparing Beethoven's symphonies with the more modern composition of late 20th century American composers has provided me with the opportunity to draw connection between the different periods and to communicate difficult concepts clearly to students of all levels. I'm committed to an interdisciplinary approach to scholarship and teaching, and all of my courses are structured with this in mind. Rather than simply lecturing to a class, I strive to cultivate an interactive environment in which students can express themselves freely while learning to engage with the past in meaningful ways. I emphasize critical thinking and the need to consider music within its larger social, historical, and intellectual context. IUP takes great pride in its training of young scholars, and I feel that it is my responsibility to uphold this standard and to encourage and challenge students to work up to their potential in hopes that their experiences in my classes will teach them far more than the history of music.
Body of letter. This section provides detailed information about the sender's work experience, skills, and qualification relevant to the positions. The sender also highlights specific contributions they can offer to the institution.
So the next part is, in addition to the standard period surveys, I am fully prepared to develop courses on opera history, later, music, and rhetoric with special emphasis on the Baroque period, 20th century music, Romanticism, and music and the visual arts.
Closing paragraph is a closing paragraph because reiterates the sender's readiness to discuss their potential contribution for the further and mention supporting documents such as the CV and recommendation letters that are included.
The next part is, I welcome an opportunity to discuss my teaching and future research project with you. I have enclosed my CV and will be receiving my letter of recommendation under separate cover. I look forward to hearing from you soon.
Closing is a closing because express the sender's hope to hear back from the recipients and leave a positive and professional impression.
The next part or the last part is Sincerely Mary Blake.
Sign off and signature is a sign off and signature because demonstrates formally and legitimacy of the application. The signature signifies the sender's official declaration of their intent to apply.
So, we're into the second part. Here is the first question. The first question is, what is the purpose of the text?
The purpose of the text to apply for the position of assistant professor of the music history at the Indiana University of Pennsylvania.
And what's the second question? The second question is, what is the position applied?
Position applied for is assistant professor of the music history.
So, what's the third question? The third question is, where is the job vacancy information from?
The answer is the job vacancy information is from the Chronicle of Higher Education.
Oh, that's the answer. So, what's the fourth question? The fourth question is, what are Mary's competence at?
The answer is Mary's competencies include 1. Experience as teaching assistant at the University of Illinois. 2. Development of undergraduate course and discussion sections. 3. Advising students on research and evaluating their work. 4. Receiving the Graduate Teaching Award Multiple 5. Creating the music for all. Forms for general audience. 6. Research on 17 concert, opera, and ability to teach various music history topics.
And what's the fifth question? The fifth question is, what are Mary's hope at the end of her letter?
The answer is Mary hopes to discuss her teaching and research project with the community and to solicitate further consideration for the patient. And the next part is what is advantage and disadvantage after learning and doing this activity? The advantage one is makes the process of writing letters quicker and more efficient, and assess and thoroughly presenting skills, qualification, and experience. The disadvantage one is learning and mastering the art of writing job application letters demand considerable time and effort.
And I'm Navana Gina for advantage. 1 is gained knowledge about structuring a formal application letter effectively, and 2 exchange understanding of writing in professional form, and for this advantage is required full attention to the use of formal language.
And that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.